Hello, resin drops. Well, we can finally take all of these off. These ones all off of here. That could come off there. Looks like we didn't lose too much leakage, which is good. Alrighty. Now, let's see if we can't get this all off before we start taking off the sides. Alrighty. Let's see. There we go. We'll have to use a little X-Acto blade to cut out the birds and the wings, get it nice and clean. There we go. Ta-da! Cut that piece off. Alrighty, now I just gotta take all these off. Just like so. Oh, I love this little mold making kit from Let's Resin. It's awesome. It's a lot better than the Lego in that sense. Don't have all the little leakage from the Lego all over the mold and whatnot. It is mostly clean and ready to go. Just need to clean up the edge here, and a little bit of the edge there. There we go. I can pop out this one skull. This is actually one of my necklaces I had to grab so I could fit him into that one little open space that I had. Just trying to get out the head. There, just like that. Okay, and there we go. Perfect. And then I'll clean up the edges around that one.